Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel the automatic renewal on Iqiyi. Now, if you're paid by bank account, how to cancel the automatic renewal, you can do it through your website, to the PC website, and through the mobile app. So let's use the PC website first. Now, if you're using the PC website, first thing to do is to visit www.iqiyi.com and then you log into your VIP account. Then click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Then select my account, scroll down and click the change on the right of manage subscription. You see my subscription on the right, you see the option for change, click on it, and here you can manage your subscription. So you can quickly click on cancel the automatic renewal. Simple. Now if you're using a mobile app, you can manage account renewal of your account by clicking on the me option in the mobile app, clicking on feedback, and then self-service. You see the option for self-service manage subscription, and then you can cancel it from there. It's as simple as that. Next video we're going to look at how to cancel the automatic renewal if you paid using your Apple or your Google Play payment method. Hope you found this video helpful.